Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw cloud and polygon shape in your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open the PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this preview option, top menu bar, and here you will find this shapes option. Click on this down arrow and this cloud shape. Click here and draw a shape. Let's see this. Now select text and graphics. Click on this shape. Now select and this properties option. You can select this border thickness, this fill color. You can add this border color as transparency. You can change it and you can move in here. Now again say the view option and this is polygon option. Click here. As many as now select and over here and this properties option. Similarly, you can change border thickness. You can add fill color as transparency. You can change it and can edit and move in here. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.